Hello.
I don't want to know.
Franklin!
What the fuck? I mean, what the hell going on here?
Wait a minute. Franklin, what are you doing here?
I live here. This half my house, too.
So you say? Anyway, Magenta is reinvigorating my femininity. So make yourself scarce. Boy, go. Go.
With pleasure.
Go.
Goodness.
And stay out of trouble.
Yeah.
Bitch, you ain't no more of a man than me.
I hear that.
Gangster shit, nigga. Look who's bizarre.
What's
at it
fool?
with it, man?
Oh, no, show some respect here, nigga. The man, they couldn't hold down his back. Come on now.
Damn, man. I gotta spend my day with another middle-aged fool trying to recapture his youth.
What this fool just say?
I missed you, dawg.
Oh, you miss me, huh?
Nah, I ain't missed you. Your ass could have stayed gone for good. So I fucked your girl, mugged your moms, and better yet, I ain't thought about your ass in years.
Ha ha. You got jokes now, huh? Hey, but I see you doing well for yourself. Check that on out.
Shit, I'm doing just fine.
That's what I hear. But I know some sweet boys up in the pen that got bigger balls than you.
Oh, you been doing your time looking at sweet boy balls?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's good to have confirmation.
This funny fuck. Why you keep hanging around this clown, L? Shake this fool,
We
man.
from the same set, Stretch. Why y'all niggas can't get along? Y'all been doing this shit for years, man.
You know what, dawg? It's good you back home. Glad you here. Missed you, boy. Damn, you definitely got hit up inside.
Hit up.
Hey.
Yo, motherfucker, I know little niggas like you been turned out on the daily. Talking about being hit up, nigga. I swear, man, you ain't got no motherfucking respect.
Motherfucker, I got respect for reality.
Reality? All right, you keep thinking that. Just keep thinking that, nigga. Shit, you gonna get yours.
Fuck you.
I swear, man.
Strizette, come on, man. Cool
what the
out,
fuck,
chill, man.
This motherfucker get on my goddamn
The
nerves.
nigga get on my nerves too, man. But part of the nigga charm, man. F, come on, man. Let's just bust a move, man. You gonna drive or what, pimp?
Drive where?
Pick up this heat, nigga.
Why?
Business, nigga. Real business. Come on, girl. Y'all niggas act like girls. Shit.
Not me, shit. Let's go to the gun store.
Young players getting raised out here, and all the chicken head bitches wanna break.
Man, look at this fly-ass motherfucker for a minute. Check him out.
He got his swag on, right? I hope he don't think he gon' fuck us, cause he looking pretty, but I ain't going the distance, homie.
Stretch, you got your fucking nerves giving your history. You the creepiest motherfucker around here, nigga.
You know, when I went away, you punks was little homies, and I was a big homie. Now I'm out, and you little homies is big homies. But you still gotta respect.
Soon as we get this shit, as soon as we get paid, homie.
Soon as we get incarcerated, more likely.
All right, homie, get some heat.
Why the fuck am I the only one buying this?
Cause we got sheets, homie. Now shut the fuck up and come on.
Now just let me reinstate, man, that the purchases made by this man ain't got nothing to do with the two gentlemen of fella nature.
That's right. Yeah.
Now let's go bust on some niggas. Take us down to that one spot where the baseheads be taking their cans at. You know, on Fringe in La Puerta.
Niggas in these hoes can't stress you. A sack full of good, roll to the wood, ain't no pressure. I got money on my mind.
You got some cans on some shit I don't know about?
Nah, homie. We got ourselves a drug deal.
Why do I get the feeling it's gonna be one of them deals gone wrong type situations?
Now see, that's that negative attitude Lamar was telling me about, nigga. You ain't getting nowhere thinking like that.
The power of positive bullshit. You ought to be clenching your motherfucking vagina muscles with my aunt, nigga.
After his bid, it probably needs tightening up.
This ain't new age shit, it's fact. You get what you give, fool.
You been getting dick, but you ain't giving it, huh?
Some Mark talk like that to an OG? CGF has changed, man. No wonder the hood is so lame right now.
Speaking of change, Lamar's been meaning to talk to you, homie.
Nah, not now, homie.
What's happening?
It's nothing, my nigga, nothing, you know. Just some ideas, that's all.
Man, ideas ain't your strong suit, so put it on me.
It's nothing real, homie. When it's something real, we'll talk.
Bullshit, man. It's realer than this crap.
Hey, we meeting them here.
Man, how'd you find this place?
The homie set it up.
It's the kind of spot where we ain't gonna be disturbed.
That's what the fuck worries me. I'm more of a hide in the plain sight type of nigga.
No, you more of a punk bitch type nigga.
What's up, fool?
What up with
We
it?
got that shit, nigga, with a paper at. Nigga, I'm talking about buku bills.
Lamar
boy.
Davis. What's up, boy? Everything cool?
Hold on, man. What the fuck, man? You was just kidnapping this nigga.
Oh,
come on,
You
dog.
don't real
F.
recognize real.
D, my nigga, just got out crossing lines, did some time with some of your folks.
Hey, look, this ain't about you, man.
What?
You know these niggas done
Yo, what the
fucked
fuck
up.
this trick talking about, man?
Yeah,
What's that?
yeah.
Somebody
See,
creeping on
They
us?
put a nigga on TV, man, about some gang intervention shit.
Hey, this ain't the police, dog. This some ballers bullshit.
Nigga, that's some
Man,
bullshit.
fuck you. What's up with
Hey,
this
we was
bull-
set up, nigga. This shit fucked up.
you,
Fuck
nigga.
Shit, oh bitch ass ballers.
Come on, through here. Fucking D set us up.
I said lay low after you got clocked.
You ain't no motherfucker, that ain't me.
I can see that. Now that you popped that little punk, we really fucked.
Man, you shouldn't have put me in the room with that snitch.
You going first next time, no fool.
Shit, nigga, then we all be dead.
Not me, nigga.
You about to have a bunch of dead homies.
Nigga, get down or lay down.
Lame ass baller bitches.
Man, pop me.
CTF for life.
Get on my ass, nigga. Did you think to work out an exit while you set up this meet?
There's always a way out, motherfucker. We gon' find it.
Fuck you.
You trying to run up on me, bitch? Man, I don't want your clumsy ass falling down these stairs, fool. They was a safety hazard before blood got spilled all over the place. I hope you had your last meals.
Fuck. Fire him up. Fuck you.
That's gay. Come on.
You go first. Stay after me. We ain't gonna run. Fuck that. Get out. Hit him with them grenades, homie.
Clowns, man. Fuck you. Man, fuck these fools.
Shady motherfucker. You see that shit? It's on fire, man.
All right, we gotta go then.
You better hope you kill me. I'm finna show you how an OG handle this shit.
That's something I don't need to see. Man, ain't hard for you, homie.
Here again.
Hey, baller, you the one getting pushed. You always say you knew better, bitch, but you always end up in the same fucked up situation.
I'm gonna learn to trust my own motherfucking instincts.
Fuck! Cops outside. I ain't going back.
Man, I deserve to get
Families ain't no more. See what's up ahead, homie.
Hey, here's the exit.
Through the fire exit. Come on.
These motherfuckers on the sky, dog.
RC and I gonna cause us some trouble. Clap 'em, homie. Hey, it's a ladder over here.
We've got a 415 at Rogers Salvation and Scrap. Three black male adults cited exiting the building. Air unit activation. Requesting backup.
The long climb to freedom. Damn, homie, watch that shit, fool. We almost there. Let's keep going, man. We almost out. Come on, homie. We booked. Move!
A bid would be good for that kid. Come on, man.
What happened to this dude?
Don't matter. Shit, we need transport. Let's go.
Suspect last seen on South Arsenal Street.
I wish I was in jail, not running with you,
What
fool.
was your daddy drinking when he scooped you out? Man, I don't get the cop mentality.
This ain't got nothing to do with me, homie.
Man, stop driving.
Shady
off this ridiculous
motherfucker.
shit.
You just picked me up on the side of the road. That's the story, dig?
Man, where the rollers at? What the cops care about us getting away?
I wasn't here. I wasn't even in this state. That's a nasty ass shot. You lame ass Mark.
You gonna lose them or what? Man, leave us be, motherfucker.
I wish I was in jail, not running with you, fool. Keep them rollers off us.
Any of them getting away in they mind, homie. That's it, we lost him. Now take us somewhere where we can get it in, homie.
Yeah, we going back to my crib, man, and you can walk from there.
All units stand down. Code 4.
Hey, what the hell you walking into back there?
Shit, man, you the one popped his ass.
I did the necessary.
Yeah, thank you for that, dawg.
This all on you, LD, lanky dumbass.
Me? Hey, I ain't know the fools was gonna roll on us.
If you started something with the ballers, shit, I don't care if you CGF for life, man. You done. Done, you dig?
Actually, we ain't CGL for life, cause all that means is we giving you money for nothing.
Here we are, man. You go hang with your auntie while the men break it off.
Shut the fuck up.
Hell no, nigga. You sounding more and more like a snee-eye itch every day.
Hell
Nah,
yeah.
nigga, I sound like somebody trying to make some paper and not get killed.
He's a hook-ass nigga, I told you.
Nigga, go toss a salad, stretch mark ass bitch.
Buster.